Hello, good day. My name is Rakesh Lalchan. I am here with my colleague Shivan Davi. We are here today to show you how to install Windows 7 using a virtual machine. We right click the ISO file, go to Power ISO, then mount the image to drive. This will mount the image in a CD format. As you can see, if you go on this PC, you can see it has a CD drive. Next we go into the virtual machine, click New, and we type the name of the operating system which we are wanting to install, which is Windows 7. And then you can click Type to select the type of operating system. We are using Microsoft Windows, and then version is Windows 7 64-bit. And to verify, we went back into our folder to verify that it is 64-bit. I'll be using 2 gigs of RAM for this video. Next we click Create Virtual Disk now, then Virtual Hard Disk, because you want to emulate a hard drive. Then next, we want it as dynamic because we want it to create space dynamically, and while it is using more memory, it will create more. For this video, I'll be using 25 gigs. We'll click Create after. Before we start, we go into Settings, by right-clicking on it and go into Settings. Then we go into System, we carry floppy disk below hard drive. We want the optical disk first and then the hard drive, because we want it to boot from a optical disk first. And for network, we will keep it on NAT. Now we go on normal start. On first start, it will prompt you to select a boot drive, and we will select the drive that we mounted the ISO file to. As you can see in this PC, the mounted drive is on the drive G. So we verify and we click drive G and then start. Now the operating system installation will start. After loading, the installation menu will come up asking you to select language. We will leave everything on English because I speak English. Then we go to next and install now. First we need to agree to the license terms. So all you have to do is just click accept the license terms, then next. For new installation, we are going to click custom, and then as you can see, the virtual hard disk 5 gigs is a raw space. So now we need to create a new partition by clicking new and then OK. Windows 7 will create multiple partitions. One is for the master boot drive one, and then the other one is where you can install Windows. The primary partition is where you install Windows. Then we click next. And now we are reaching now Windows is installing. This may take about 30 minutes to an hour depending on the speed of your laptop. For the sake of this video, I will be fast forwarding. Your computer may restart multiple times. Well, the virtual machine may restart multiple times during the installation. We will be prompted to boot from CD. We don't want to boot from a CD, so we will just not press any keys and it will just boot from Windows directly from the hard drive. Again, we wanted to boot from the hard drive, so we are not pressing any keys. Before Windows brings you to the interface, the desktop interface, you need to set up your account information so you can use this to log in to your system. For the purpose of this video, I am setting my account as student and the computer name will be Windows, Windows 7, or Windows 7, sorry. And for the password, I am putting the password as student, and the hint is the same as the password. I don't want to install any product here at the moment, so I will uncheck automatic activate window, then check that. I will be using recommended settings. I don't use daylight saving, so I will uncheck that and then I will press next. My network is a home network, so I can select home network. If you don't have a network available, you should have an option to select next or skip. Now we are about to enter the desktop interface of Windows 7. I hope you enjoyed my video and it was helpful to you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. To shut down the virtual machine, you can also simply shut down Windows 7 itself to automatically shut down the virtual machine. So that it does not boot to UCD every single time, I will be moving hard disk to the top and boot to that. Thank you for watching.